This is the day 1 of 100 days 100 maintenance tips for motorcycle. Welcome to RideWise Moto. Day 1 Chain Lubrication. A well-lubricated chain is the backbone of a smooth ride. Over time, your motorcycle chain can pick up dirt and grime, which leads to wear and tear. To prevent this, you should clean and lubricate your chain every 500 to 1,000 kilometers, depending on your riding condition. Start by lifting your bike onto a paddock stand for easy access. Use a specialized chain cleaner or kerosene to clean off the old grease and dirt. Once dry, apply a high-quality chain lubricant while slowly rotating the rear wheel. Make sure to apply the lube evenly across the entire chain. Wipe off any excess lube with a clean cloth to prevent dirt from sticking. This simple step can significantly extend the life of your chain and sprocket. For more such content, don't forget to follow or subscribe to RideWise Moto. Day 2 of 100 days, 100 motorcycle maintenance tips. Checking tire pressure. Importance of tire pressure. Maintaining the correct tire pressure is crucial for safety and performance. Underinflated tires can cause poor handling and increased wear, while overinflated tires reduce grip. Find the recommended PSI. Check your bike's recommended PSI on the tire sidewall or in the owner's manual. This ensures you're riding with the optimal pressure. Measure and adjust. Use a tire pressure gauge to check pressure when the tires are cold. Inflate or deflate as needed to match the recommended PSI. Regular checks improve handling and extend tire life. For more such content, don't forget to follow or subscribe to RideWise Moto. Day 3 of 100 days, 100 motorcycle maintenance tips. Brake check. 1. Importance of brakes. Brakes are critical for your safety. Worn brake pads or low brake fluid can seriously compromise your stopping power. 2. Inspect brake pads. Visually inspect the brake pads through the caliper. If the pad thickness is less than 2 to 3 millimeters, it's time to replace them. 3. Check brake fluid and lines. Ensure the brake fluid level in the master cylinder is above the minimum mark but not overfilled. Top off with the recommended fluid, usually D.4 or .5.1. Also, inspect for any leaks in the brake line. Regular checks keep your braking system at its best. For more such content, don't forget to follow or subscribe to RideWise Moto. Day 4 of 100 days 100 motorcycle maintenance tips. Engine oil change. 1. Importance of oil. Oil is the lifeblood of your engine. Regular oil changes are essential to keep your engine running smoothly and to prevent wear on vital components. 2. Draining the old oil. Start by letting the engine cool down. Then, place an oil drain pan under the engine, remove the drain plug, and let the old oil drain completely. While it's draining, replace the old oil filter with a new one. 3. Refilling with fresh oil. After draining, replace the drain plug and fill the engine with fresh oil using the type and grade recommended by your bike's manufacturer. Check the oil level with the dipstick and top off if necessary. Regular oil changes will keep your engine in peak condition. For more such content, don't forget to follow or subscribe to RideWise Moto. Day 5 of 100 days 100 motorcycle maintenance tips. Battery maintenance. 1. Importance of a healthy battery. A healthy battery is crucial for reliable starts and consistent electrical performance. Corroded terminals can lead to poor connections and make it difficult to start your bike. 2. Cleaning the terminals. Disconnect the battery from the bike and clean the terminals with a mixture of baking soda and water using a small brush. Apply a thin layer of petroleum jelly or dielectric grease to the terminals to prevent future corrosion. 3. Checking the charge level. Use a multimeter to check the battery's voltage. If it's below 12.6 volts, charge the battery with a motorcycle-specific charger. Regular maintenance ensures your bike starts reliably, especially after long periods of inactivity. For more such content, don't forget to follow or subscribe to RideWise Moto.